Let's take a look at these noise makers. These are pop, 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 pop. They have some fun kids cartoons. This is made in India. Snappers, a novel trick item. Bang, drop it, throw it, step on it, snap it. These are pollution free, no fireworks, no crackers. This costs around 23 rupees or 30 cents or so. Each box contains 50 pieces. For outdoor use only, do not put in your mouth, not recommended for children under 8 years. So let's see what do we get. That's how each one of them looks. You just throw it to make it pop. In the packaging you can see those rock-like chemicals that it has inside. You just throw it. So let's see how it works. It is quite fun to pop them. Quite nice. Check it out.